check this out. The wires I had, come check it out right here. I thought these wires right here were for fuse, but they're not. They're wire clamps. One positive, one negative. These little wires right here were too short. So what I ended up doing is I got this blue little speaker wire, made a little attachment, ran a little longer. So this one is connected to the wire 1, and this one right here is wire 2. This is also wire 2. I ran this in to the side panel right here. Right up there, right here, right up there's a little rubber thing. I got a screwdriver, I punched it out, and that's why I shoved the wire in. If you watch YouTube, people say I shoved it up here, I ran it there. They're fucking idiots. Run it through that fucking little rubber hole. It's the smartest way. To the back, everyone already knows. Oh shit. Oh, everyone already knows. Hit the clip, 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 clip. Whole front comes off. Wow. Put the fog lights in. Bring it over here. Check the fitment out. Check the fitment out. You get what you pay for. This is eBay right here. You can't really tell, but this one's a little bit blacker than these. Like I said, I ran it through the back. Ran it through the back. I ran it right here. I saw some fool on YouTube. He was pretty smart. Number 2, fuse 2. The first red one is fuse 2. I can't find it. Fuck it. Whatever. And that's it. Turn your key on. Hit that. Your power's on. It's good.